Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today, we're focusing on how to protect your garden from pests without using harmful chemicals. We'll share recipes and techniques for organic pest repellents that you can make with household items. Let's get started. Organic pest control is safe for you, your plants, beneficial insects, and the environment. Plus, it's cost-effective and easy to make at home. First, a simple soap spray. This is effective against aphids, mites, and whiteflies. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of liquid dish soap and 1 quart of water. Mix. Combine in a spray bottle and shake well. Apply. Spray on affected plants, focusing on the undersides of leaves. Repeat every few days. Next, garlic and chili spray, great for deterring insects and rabbits. Ingredients: 1 bulb of garlic, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and 1 quart of water. Blend. Blend the garlic and chili powder with water. Strain and apply. Strain into a spray bottle and spray on plants. Neem oil is a natural pesticide. Here's how you can make your own spray. First, you'll need 2 teaspoons of neem oil, 1 teaspoon of liquid soap, and 1 quart of water. Combine these ingredients in a spray bottle and shake well to mix. Then, simply spray onto your plants every 7 to 14 days. Diatomaceous earth is safe for humans and pets, but deadly to insects. To use it, dust a thin layer around the base of your plants and on the soil surface. Remember to reapply after watering or rain to maintain its effectiveness. Companion planting naturally repels pests. Here are a few combinations that can help. Marigolds repel nematodes and whiteflies, basil repels mosquitoes and flies, and nasturtiums repel aphids and beetles. With these organic pest control solutions, you can protect your garden without harmful chemicals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!